भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
far we have to go. Let's rejoice this majestic journey, which will bring you across the abundance of emotions, colors and joy. Namaskar, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, आभार और आप सबका सत्कार. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this absolutely beautiful, wonderful and auspicious day that brings together so many special people like you. Welcome to Narayana E-Techno School, Pine, second annual cultural event, Kruti 2017, Mumbai Meri Jaan. दोस्तों कहते हैं मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. कहते हैं मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Dear audience, how lovely is this day? And so does the ambience and the aura surrounding it. Soon, the colors of this annual extravaganza will unfold and will take you to the another mesmerizing journey of Mumbai Meri Jaan. Further, I would request Principal Ma'am Dr. Snigdha Kadam to escort Honorable Chief Guest and all the dignitaries for lighting of lamp.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. To escort Honorable Chief Guest and all the dignitaries to move towards on the dais.
Today, more than pleasure, it's a privilege today for me to welcome and introduce our revered guest, Mr. Satish Reddy, Assistant Commissioner, Indian Revenue Service, South Mumbai, the chief guest for today. Mr. Reddy is a self-made man. Born and brought up in Warangal, Telangana, studied electric engineering from NIT, worked in NGO sector during the college days, cleared civil services examination in 2014 with rank 97, joined Indian Revenue Service and is now posted as Assistant Commissioner, South Mumbai. Our desire is to extend a gracious and cordial welcome to you, sir. So I request Principal Dr. Snigdha Kadam to present a bouquet of flowers to welcome sir. We are honored to have you amongst us, sir. A heartfelt gratitude for readily accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion by your presence. Dear parents, leadership is an art, not only of getting the work done, but also of supporting and inspiring. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. No less is our leader and support, our very dean, Mr. Syed Khan. The indispensable part of our school since inception. We warmly welcome you, sir, and hope your mentoring will steer our sheep into the right direction, and under your wings we will soar new heights. Thank you for being with us. We are delighted to have amongst us the members of our very own Narayana Mumbai family, the principals of various branches, Principal Dr. Meenu Chhaje, Principal for Borivali branch, thank you, ma'am, for being with us. Principal Arjuman, ma'am, Principal for Andheri branch. It's a pleasure to have you, ma'am, with us. Principal for Nalasopara branch, Anagha, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for taking time for us. Once more, a heartfelt warm welcome to everyone present here. Hope you have a pleasant, memorable journey with us.
Principal Ma'am, Dr. Snigdha Kadam, a seasoned scholar, charming and beautiful personality to take in hand the audience. Parents, please put a round of applause.
Beautiful morning and another day so bright. The light of the sun brings a calmness on sight. Mornings are for some new hopes. Mornings are for new beginnings. So fasten your seatbelt, hold your breath. Let's start the day with Narayana E-Techno School's Annual Day Kruti 2017. A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all present here for the second annual day of Narayana E-Techno School Bhinder. I value the presence of our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. P. Satish Reddy Sir, Assistant Commissioner, Indian Revenue Service, South Mumbai, Mr. Syed Sir, Dean of Mumbai Zone, and my colleague principals of different branches of Mumbai. It's an immense pleasure to see such a large audience of parents. I extend my heartfelt thanks for your valuable presence. I take the opportunity to present the annual report for the academic year 2017-18. As rightly said by Aristotle, we are what we repeatedly do. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. We at Narayana Group of Schools offer strong foundation and promises best subject knowledge enhancement with different methodologies of foundation and implementation for all the medical and engineering streams, related competitive courses, entrance examinations, and hence to enable the students for the same. Every week we conduct JEE and CDF, and twice in a month we conduct NTOP for champs. It's a pride to announce that 4 students of the E-Techno section have reached the E5 level. Master Anshu Mittal, Standard 7. Ms. Tarini Chattiyar, Standard 7. Master Vidhan Agarwal, Standard 8. And Ms. Hani Siroya, Standard 8. I am proud to share that we have shown a remarkable success in the competitive exams. Master Harsh Singh of Standard 9 was selected for prestigious Regional Maths Olympiad exam. In AMTI, 4 students are selected for junior level, 14 for sub-junior, whereas 13 students for primary level. In Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam, Master Harsh Singh of Standard 9 is selected for Stage 2 practical examination, whereas 24 students are qualified for certification. In maths concept, 13 students got merit. I think, dear parent, my students and staff deserves a round of applause. Thank you, parents. Co-sports play an important role in the fitness of our students. Taekwondo training has been given to the students in-house. We have shown excellent performance in Rural Games National Taekwondo Championship, wherein we got 3 gold, 5 silver and 4 bronze medals. In DSO Taekwondo, we have won 8 gold, 7 silver and 1 bronze medal. And I am proud to share that our 8 students are selected for divisional level. In Masters Cup 2017 Karate competition, Master Hiranya Gehlot of Standard 4th won silver medal at All India Karate Championship. Herein, we have blended activities with academics, and the outcome is the result of hard work, dedication and determination of the staff and students of Narayana E-Techno School, Bhinder. Let's take a glimpse of the academic year 2017-18. Before I will take the glimpse of the academic year, I request Bhavana Madam, Principal of Thane branch, kindly be on the dais. Please, Bhavana Madam. The year started with International Yoga Day to balance the mental and physical development of students, which was followed by Doctor's Day and Nutrition Day. The overwhelming response of the parents have increased the beauty of Grandparents' Day and the Parents' Day. Puppet show was the major attraction of the Children's Day. Hindi Divas was celebrated to promote our national language. Green Lab activities were flooded with rally, poster making, tree plantation and many more such activities. Poster making activity was the main attraction of the World Environment Day. Fancy dress competition and Heritage Club activity were the parent-student activities. Dear parents, it was a great success because of your enthusiasm and creativity. I think you yourself deserve a round of applause. Thank you. Theme of the month has a unique impact on the mind of students and about themselves and their surroundings. Apart from this, we do concentrate on fine motor skills, gross motor skills, self-care skills and sensorial skills. Unique assembly was presented on various topics such as oceans and continents, aquatic animals, save plants and animals, Guru Purnima, World Senior Citizen Day and many more such topics. To enable the students to understand the concept of colors, we have celebrated the different color blooms such as red, blue, yellow, green. To inculcate leadership qualities, the student council elections were conducted in Narayana E-Techno School, Bhinder. Campaigning, speeches, ballot boxes, polling booth, really, it was indeed a great voting experience for our students. Soft Skill Department have presented the installation of Narayana English Club to promote English speaking skills and enhance personality development. Different competitions were conducted in-house to enhance the competitive spirit. The competitions are eco-friendly Ganesha model making, 1-minute presentation on historical events, ancient tools making, solo singing, greeting card making, English essay writing, etc. To imbibe the cultural spirits among the students, we celebrated various festivals such as Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, Thali and Dandiya decoration for the attraction of Navratri celebration. Diwali was celebrated by conducting lantern making competition wherein we got thundering response again from you all dear parents. Thank you so much for the same. To give first-hand experience, we have taken our students to the field trip at DMart and Fire Station for unique opportunities of learning that are not available within the four walls of the classroom. To inculcate the true spirit of patriotism, the leaders of tomorrow, our dear students, have celebrated the Independence Day with great enthusiasm. All this has been possible because of strong support, cooperation of the management, parents, students, staff, and yes, my three pillars, my three vice principals. Brivinda ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Techno section, Shruti ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Cham section, and Ashwini ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Grid section. I think they really deserve a round of applause. I value the presence of our Kalyan branch principal, Nikita ma'am. Thank you ma'am for your presence.
Thank you, madam. I was part of Narayana family somewhere back 2006-2008. I did my 11th and 12th in Narayana in Hyderabad. Then I think then there were E-Techno schools were not started then, but I'm so happy that now we have grown so much all over India. Schools are established and thanks. It's very nice to see the way Narayana has grown. Regarding today, I'll be very short. I don't take much of your time. I'll start with few things. I'll say about the school life, I'll say about success, and I'll say about Narayana, and I don't give any advice to children, but to the parents I have a couple of advices. Regarding the school life, it will be your most memorable school time is your memorable time in your whole life. You will never get this time back because this is the only time where you can do mistakes. After that, the mistakes counts you so much. If you do a mistake sometime in college or something, your whole career gets affected. Here, you're spared because you're protected by parents in your home and you're protected by parents at your school also. The teachers are especially school teachers and all, they are as good as your parents. They take care of you so much. And so this is the most memorable time. Enjoy it, at the same time learn. And so regarding studies and all, I can have my trust on Narayana, but other things like develop few hobbies like reading, playing sports, or whatever it is, the habits which you try to inculcate during this school time, it will stay with you for whole life. And this is one of the most important thing you have to do, and especially regarding, I will also like to advise the parents to give your children one of the most nutritious food. That is the most important. As of now, I have been in the field and seeing in the public and all. The biggest problem in this country is malnutrition, and the sole reason for this is children not getting a nutritious food, and parents are only responsible for this, no one else. It is your sole responsibility to find, to research, and school, Narayana can also help with different classes giving especially to the parents, and what kind of food does children need, and try to provide with that food. Okay? And next, regarding Narayana, I'm talking to Syed just now. He was explaining the kind of curriculum you guys have, and it's very nice, the kind of vision which Narayana has, and the kind of technology they are using, and the kind of competitive spirit they are inculcating into the children right from the 8th class, 9th class, 10th class. in 11th and 12th is like very nice. Because this is a world like now the India is competing with the whole world and there is no chance, like it's the competition is very tough outside. Once you get out of the school, competition is very tough. Every day is like a war. So that spirit of competitiveness is being inculcated by Narayana is very nice. And at the same time, he was explaining the kind of technology being used here, e-classes and all. It's very nice, and also so many meritorious students has been going to Olympiads and national level talent tests. It's very nice to hear that. We'll keep in touch. Thank you. Anytime, any problem, anything, you can take my number from Syed and contact me for any kind of help. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Such wonderful and practical things to be followed in life. Not only about education, but about nutrition, exercise, everything. Thank you very much, sir. Dear parents, Les Brown has rightly said, shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you will still be among the stars. And stars of Narayana E-Techno Bhinder are exactly for whom I am going to invite now on the floor, on the dais. These twinkling stars are shining brightly in the sky of Narayana E-Techno School Bhinder. Yes, I am talking about our star students. Please put a round of applause to the wonderful students who are going to be on the dais now. Sometimes I feel more than stars, they are warriors who wage a war of JEE and other external exams, not only with their classmates, but with the students all over the country. I request our chief guest, Mr. Satish Reddy, to please felicitate these young heroes. First, I call upon stage Master Harsh Singh. Master Harsh Singh of Standard 9, a remarkable student who has made us all proud by being selected in the Regional Maths Olympiad. That's a very prestigious maths exam all over the country, and is also selected for Homi Baba Bal Vaigyanik for the second level. We are proud of you, Harsh. Next, I call upon stage the students who have already reached the E5 level. Master Vidhan Agrawal of Standard 8. Miss Honey Siroya could not be with us here today, but she also has reached the E5 level. Master Anshu Mittal of Standard 7. Come on parents, E5 level. Miss Tarini Chettiar of Standard 7. Thank you students. All the best to you all, and please keep it up. Thank you, sir. According to a Nigerian proverb, it is believed, give thanks for a little and you will find a lot. So right now, no duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. Special thanks to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Satish Reddy, for making time for us. I request ma'am to thank sir by giving him a token of love from our school. Thank you, Syed sir, for always being there for us. Ma'am, please do the honors of thanking sir. Grateful to all the principals of Narayana Mumbai family to sacrifice their precious time for us. Thank you, Principal Ma'ams, for coming. Thanks to you all, the enthusiastic parents, for your eager participation and cooperation in making this day a success. Thank you, team, that is teachers, choreographers, and the non-teaching staff for all the hard work they have put in. And last and the most important, for my lovely students. They are the reason for us to be here. A huge thank you for all my students light goes out and it is rekindled by a spark from another person. On behalf of my co-vice principals, Shruti ma'am and Ashwini ma'am, I am very grateful to Snigdha ma'am, our dearest principal. You are the spark that has always lighted the flame within us. Thank you, Snigdha ma'am. So ready for the show? Yes. Oh, that was very, very low yes. Yes. That's much better. Thank you, dignitaries. Ma'am, I request you to please escort the dignitaries to the auditorium.
I can feel the turbulence in the air as the curtain rises and the magic begins. The color of life, that is the festival of life, will cherish everyone. So are you all ready for the entertainment? Yes. I cannot hear that. Yes. Louder. Yes. So let's dive into the entertaining ride of Mumbai Meri Jaan. I hope you all have a great time. Thank you.
Ready for the assembly. Students, get ready for the assembly. Good morning, Narayana. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of Narayana E-Techno School, Bhangar branch. So, let's start our day by remembering the Almighty God. classy, and fashionable image of mine. But this is the real me. And you people are responsible for my plight. We? What? Yes, that is true, my people. Oh, really? That means you were fabulous before, and this is what happened to you now? How is this even possible? If it is like that, so tell us how fabulous you were before. Yeah, tell us how fabulous you were before.
Tell us about your origin.
Yes, please tell us. Okay. Let me show you how I was.
Please tell us more about those days.
What? Queen's necklace? You mean a diamond necklace just like my mother wears? Yes, and I was ruled by Portuguese Empire. I gave them the natural harbor for their ships to hold. Yes, I have learned in my social class that Mumbai is a port city. Later, I became the prized possession of the British East India Company. We are completely amazed to hear this. Please tell us more. I'm sparkling like a diamond and I came into existence after the marriage treaty of Prince Charles II of England and Princess Catherine of Braganza on 11 May 1661. Make comments more. A great view. Hey, what are you saying? It means the beginning was beautiful and royal. I learned this phrase in our French class. Really? Was your origin so royal? You want to see? Come, let's remember those golden days.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, that they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the story rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He movido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y la has sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
La cabeza ya ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा।
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के ऊपर भी निर्भय, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, को आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता है क्या सेन्योरिटा, सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedican, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमान गिरा चुका है सेन्योरिटा। ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा। मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के ऊपर भी निर्भय, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, को आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता है क्या सेन्योरिटा, सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
Marvelous! Such a fantastic story! So does that mean you're a foreigner? No. I'm a true Indian. I can't believe it. But the Portuguese Empire ruled you, and you told us about your origin, which included the Britishers. So, how can you tell me real? No, the Britishers named me Bombay. I was actually the union of 7 islands. These islands were inhabited by Koli community. Yes, I know the Kolis. They are the fishermen. Since these fishermen live on the coastlands of Bombay, they celebrate every their sea gods and their goats. And their festival is called Nada Purnima. Yes, my dear kids, you are absolutely right. And you know, the group of houses where these people used to stay is called Kolivada. ఈ నారాయణ మైనరచ మందిరిలో కైసా बरीच गंगा विस्तार आम्ही मुंबईची आणवाला जा घेऊन होतं कोळीवाड्याची शान. चला मग कोळीवाड्यामध्ये. In year 1994, lunchbox to us. There are many people in different parts of Mumbai who do this job of delivering lunch to the people. Oh, I know. They are the Dabbawalas. Yes, my dear. You are absolutely correct. And these Dabbawalas are one of the integral parts of my identity. Not only the Dabbawalas, but there are many people who contribute towards Mumbai's prosperity.
Mumbai's identity as a hard-working and never sleeping city.
Yes, my people are responsible for making me Sapno Ki Nagari. Just like Narayana E-Techno Primary School has variety of students who excel in every field, I also have different types of people from different parts of our country, caste, religion who excel here in Amchi, Mumbai in different ways. Mumbai, can you show my students more about it? Yes, sure. I will show you. Come on. Yay!
काय रे भाऊ गडबडीत दिसतोय उशीर होऊन राहिला काय रे जरा उशीरच झालाय ठीक मग संसाला भेटू ठीक आता भेटू निघतोय आता ठीक
मुंबई का वड़ा पाव, जम्बो वड़ा पाव, सब कहे मैं खाऊं, सबसे मजेदार, सबसे लजीज, मुंबई का वड़ा पाव, जम्बो वड़ा पाव।
किस संतोष की कीमत तुम क्या जानते हो रमेश बाबू हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर